Well, GMR Airports and SJVN are in focus today on the back of their Q1 numbers. Vivek is here with all the details. Vivek, over to you.
Well, good morning. That's right. So GMR Airports, it's a very similar story that's played out, especially when you're looking at the company in terms of the operational performance over the past few quarters. What's happening? Operationally, it's strong. The operational profit, that is the EBITDA margins are improving both sequentially as well as on a year-on-year basis. But on the bottom line, due to various forex adjustments and also the interest payment that is due to various FCCB holders, this is something that is actually going ahead and impacting the bottom line, which is why the company is declaring a profit loss or a bottom line loss. So when you're talking about the numbers themselves, first up, the company has taken an enabling provision to go ahead and raise close to 5,000 crore via a QIP issue, and the route that the company has chosen could either be via the QIP route or the FCCB route. Revenues higher by 19% on a year-on-year basis, EBITDA higher by 19.5%, EBITDA margins staying steady despite the higher base at 37.3%. Net loss has come in of over 330 crores. Now, what is the reason for the loss? Number one, the higher finance costs, almost 890 crore versus 576 crore on a year-on-year basis on account of the interest payment due to FCCB holders. Higher depreciation too was something that the company witnessed this time around. And remember, the base quarter actually had a one-time gain of 76.1 crore. Remember, this particular quarter was quite important for the company because the company managed to conclude the merger of GMR Airports with GMR Airport Infrastructure. Now, talking about SJVN, it's a very strong operational performance by the company. Revenues higher by almost 30%, EBITDA higher by 32.5%, margins very strong at 76.7%, and profitability higher by 32%. What aided the top line growth? Number one, the gross power that the company generated, higher by almost 56% on a year-on-year basis and up 3.7 times sequentially. Installed capacity increasing, once again aiding the EBITDA, 14% increase as far as the installed capacity is concerned. And the PLF, the plant load factor that the company enjoyed this time around was very strong at 63% versus 46% on a year-on-year basis. Couple of important developments. Number one development, it will be important to see when the company can go ahead and commission its key facilities. And number two, very important, the company has said that they are looking to dilute stake in the renewable energy platform that they have set up, which is called as SJVN Green Energy. Further developments on that would be key to track from the stock perspective.
Thank you very much for that. And that brings us to a close in trading hour from the entire team. Thank you for watching. Don't go anywhere. Halftime report is up next.